Hey YouTube, Wagwan, I have my helmet right here. So from the thumbnail, you guys know what's up already. Welcome back to the channel. So this is what we're gonna put right here instead of that. So on the icon helmet, you just gotta pry out the side. So you gotta lift this up. You can get your fingers in there, pry the side out, and it comes out just like that. So we got to do the same thing for the other side. So that one comes out easy. So this just comes out, and then you want to rotate it up some more to line up the grooves and the visor to pry it out. But because I have mine set with my mic in it, so I got to redo that. But I'm just gonna unplug this. So unplug that. I'm gonna take my GoPro off. Just gonna take my GoPro mount off, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the newer one. So guys, this one is $50. I paid $50 for this. I got it from Cycle Gears. So I went from this to this just to give myself a new look. So you want to start in the same position. You take it off in, bring it all the way to the top so that can line up. Do the same thing on this side, all the way to the top. So that can line up, and you can bring it down and close it. So it's a little bit, so hold one side so the other side don't pop out, and then you can rotate them both down at the same time. Once they rotate down, and that's what my new helmet will look like. Go ahead and comment and let me know how it is. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this a little bit so I can put the GoPro on it. So guys, this is my new helmet look right now, and I really like it. Put this back in. So you want to clip one side in, then clip the other side in, and that's it guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. If you watch some of my video, you already know how I set up my GoPro. It's my GoPro setup, so you can go ahead and set up yours like that. I will try and link that video in the description for you guys. But yeah guys, that's it. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.